Hello and welcome back everybody to Ebo's Kitchen. Get ready to prepare with me my original chicken salad recipe. For my salad today I'm using 2 baby lettuce and the cherry tomato. But first let's prepare the dressing. I will use 1 tablespoon of mayo and 1 teaspoon of mustard, and I will add 1 teaspoon of sweet chili sauce that will give a nice taste by the way, and finally I will add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Now give that a little mix and then add 2 cloves of minced garlic, then add 1 teaspoon of oregano, and what's better than adding the fresh grinded black pepper to our dressing. Now squeeze half lemon to add that nice sour taste to our salad. Give it a good mix till you get to this consistency. Now the time to prepare our chicken, and I'm using half of chicken breast and I will cut it from here into 2 equal pieces. Now seasoning the chicken with salt and black pepper from both sides. Now using a frying pan, add a little bit of frying oil and wait till it's hot enough before you apply the chicken. And let it cook for 3 minutes each side. And I'm using this grill press lodge to help with the grilling process. Okay, now while the chicken being grilled for the first 3 minutes, let's invest the time and cut the lettuce, and you have to cut it into equal fine stripes and place it in the mixing bowl. Getting back to our chicken and see how it's beautiful golden and crispy. So let's flip it and grill the other side for 3 minutes also. Okay, let's invest the time again, but this time cutting our cherry tomato and add them to the same mixing bowl. Believe me, after all, it's all about time management even in the kitchen. And again, getting back to check on our chicken, and this time we have to make sure that it's nicely grilled from both sides. After that, take the chicken aside and in the same oil add 2 minced garlic cloves and toast them for a while to get all the flavor out from the garlic, and then add 1 chopped medium-sized onion. Now keep stirring till the onion totally caramelized, and then add like 100 gram of fresh cutted mushroom and mix it all together till the mushroom halfway cooked. Now add all of that to our mixing bowl and mix it all together with our lovely delicious sauce. Mix the salad very well to make sure that the sauce applied for the whole salad. Now before we serve our salad, we need to cut the chicken into fine stripes. See how tender and crispy, and I'm sure you will enjoy the taste as well. Now put the chicken on top of the salad, and I will decorate it with a slice of lemon and then let it snow with a lot of Parmesan cheese. Hope you enjoyed my salad recipe for today, and I will see you for sure in my next video.